The tension data is consistent across the sheet.
Confirmed. We are ready for the next phase.
Here at that 7-meter cutting tape table, large geometrized with Bugatti Chiron, whilst
It. While the large monocoque mold is prepared for the massive autoclave 1, this small trim piece
The soak phase on the monocoque is holding steady, perfect distribution.
Process B is also stable at the lower pressure. We are good to proceed.
how does the internal structure look around this mounting point?
The weave is consistent, no signs of excess resin. It is perfect.
Milling. The technician applies a specialized solvent-free cleaning agent using a pressurized system, meticulously washing away
Here we see the high-build primer adhering to the monocoque body, followed immediately by the UV light system, ensuring maximum adhesion and build thickness.
The monocoque receives a second, thicker application of high-build primer, identical in color, applied
Process a component confirmed. Ready for color application.
Agreed. The surface is flawless.
With process A complete, the monocoque is stored awaiting final color application. The logistical pause allows the factory to prepare for process B.
The surface is flawless, showing a diffuse reflection, a testament to the exhaustive wet sanding. This microscopic sanding process creates a perfect key for the subsequent clear coat layers to adhere to, ensure
The dark, reflective carbon fiber contrasts elegantly with the light-colored leather, showcasing a harmonious blend of luxury and performance.
The intricate weaving pattern is visible beneath the thick, clear coat. The light dances across the reflective surface.
the high-gloss carbon fiber trim, or Process B, contrasts beautifully with the French racing blue paint. The movement highlights the precise fitment and structural stability of the component. The deep, dark, reflective surface remains pristine. The visible weave provides subtle texture under the clear coat. This meticulous manufacturing reinforces the value.
The rapid, repeated flashes emphasize the intense reflectivity of the clear coat finish. This dynamic sequence.
Look at how the weave aligns perfectly here by the door handle. It's exquisite. It truly is a work of art.